do you genuinely think that you're a nice person or you're just a people pleaser? So, have you ever found yourself saying yes to the things that you really don't want to do just to keep the peace or make others happy? Oh, yeah, I was there too. See, there's a huge difference between being nice and being a doormat for others. So, today we are going to break down what it truly means to be yourself and without worrying about making everyone else comfortable. Hi, guys, this is Tanvisha, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you're here, it's probably because you've struggled a lot with people pleasing at some point of your life. And आज हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे जो बहुत लोगों को अफेक्ट करता है. And trust me, I used to be one of them. And I used to be a massive people pleaser. Even though मुझ पे already workload हो या फिर कोई चीज़ मेरा मन नहीं हो करने का और कोई मुझसे पूछे कि yeah, can you do this for me? Can you help me out and something like that. Even without processing anything, I would just say yes. And at the end of the day, I would feel so exhausted, mentally drained. And उस टाइम पे मैं खुद को बहुत ज़्यादा blame करती थी कि मैं मना क्यों नहीं कर पाई. And I used to be so guilty about myself, but yeah, today we're gonna fix that. So today we are going to dive deep into how to stop people pleasing and start setting your boundaries and feel way more empowered in your life. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into how you can stop being a people pleaser and reclaim your peace by setting healthy boundaries. हम सबको खुश करना चाहते हैं, but कभी कभी इस प्रोसेस में we tend to forget ourselves. People just think that they're just being kind if they're saying yes to every single thing जो भी उनसे कोई भी favors ले रहा है, but trust me, it's not. It's about putting others' needs first rather than your own. And मैं जानती हूँ कि ये टॉपिक थोड़ा tricky लगता है because कई लोगों की आदत होती है कि वो हर टाइम हाँ बोलते हैं even though उन पे कितना ही वर्कलोड हो. एंड कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारा मन नहीं करता है, हम लोग खुद भी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रेन होते हैं काफ़ी चीज़ों को लेके, इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली, बट फिर भी हम लोग येस बोलते हैं. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी फील बैड about ourselves only. I used to be a hardcore people pleaser. And कॉलेज में कई बार ऐसा होता था कि जिन लोगों से मेरी बात नहीं भी होती है या people who have done me wrong would come to me and ask for favors, मैं कभी भी उन्हें मना नहीं कर पाती थी because I don't know, I had this habit of pleasing everyone, you know, because I was perceived as a mean bitch basically because of my face. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, so I had this habit of pleasing everyone. कोई भी मुझसे फेवर्स लेने आता था, कोई भी मुझसे कुछ भी काम डंप कर देगा, I would just say yes and yeah, I would do it. At the end of the day मुझे खुद के लिए इतना ज़्यादा बुरा लगता था कि मैंने खुद के लिए स्टैंड क्यों नहीं लिया या फिर मैं मना क्यों नहीं कर पाई, even though मेरा मन बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेगा वो चीज़ करने का, but still I was like yeah, I can do it, I will do it for you, yeah, just dump your shit over me and yeah, you can walk over me. But I learned this the hard way that if you don't set your boundaries, people will just use you or expect things out of you, and लोग expect करेंगे कि आप उनके लिए सब कुछ करते रहो. So today we'll talk about why it is so hard for us to say no to others, what happens when you don't set your boundaries, and most importantly, and how you can start making these changes in your life right now. You have to realize this, that why do you have this habit of pleasing everyone. So I will give you an example. So I used to be a studious kid until my 9th class, and then 10th class में मेरे grades कम हो गए थे and मेरे पेरेंट्स को या फिर मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को और बहुत सारे लोगों को मुझसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी that you know I would score well in my exams, but yeah, I didn't. उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे नहीं उतर पाई. And I'm not just talking about my parents, but also the friend circle I was in. So I had some friends who used to taunt me based on my academic performance. So वो चीज़ ने मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशराइज कर दिया था कि I feel this constant need to please others, because मुझे ये लगता था कि अगर मैं दूसरों के लिए चीज़ें करूँगी so it would make me feel good because I would be worthy enough. Basically वहाँ से मेरी people pleasing start हो गई थी. So you have to find the root cause that why do you people please. हमें खुद से वो चीज़ ढूंढनी होगी कि हम लोग क्यों people please करते हैं, because किसी ना किसी का अलग अलग experiences होते हैं जिस वजह से people do these type of things. Maybe because of family pressure, maybe because of the friend circle that you're in, maybe because of your past relationships or friendships, or maybe any of that. So it is really important to analyze your root cause and then work on it. Our next point is the cost of people pleasing. Mostly जब आप दूसरों को खुश करने के चक्कर में या फिर उनके expectations के according perform करने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा busy हो जाते हो, so you often tend to lose yourself and it comes with a price. The cost of people pleasing is loss of your own identity. So it starts with small things like थोड़ा सा stress या फिर थोड़ा सा exhaustion, and लेटर ऑन यू रियलाइज दैट कि आप अपने लाइफ के डिसीजंस भी दूसरों के हैप्पीनेस के बेसिस पे या फिर दूसरों के लिए ले रहे हो. You lose track of what you want because you're so focused on keeping others happy. And trust me, जब लोग ये देखते हैं कि आप उनके लिए 24/7 अवेलेबल हो या फिर जब भी वो कोई काम दे रहे हैं, so you're always saying yes, so eventually they start taking you for granted, and that's where the real problem begins. You might start feeling burned out, lose your sense of identity, and often end up being in a toxic relationship, friendship, or maybe a toxic work culture. Why is it so hard for us to set our boundaries? Well, for most of us, it comes from a place of fear. Maybe it's a fear of rejection, maybe it's a fear of losing someone, maybe fear of guilt, maybe fear of conflict, or maybe if you've grown up in a household or a culture where saying no means you're disrespecting someone, or maybe we have been taught that saying no is selfish. But here's the thing, so constantly saying yes to others means you're saying no to yourself. हमें लगता है कि अगर हम अपनी बाउंड्री सेट करेंगे तो लोग हमसे दूर चले जाएंगे या फिर people will not like us and we will be called as a mean person, which is totally untrue, because setting your boundaries doesn't mean you're a mean person. Setting your boundaries means you are respecting yourself. You're respecting yourself enough that you are prioritizing yourself rather than putting other people first. Here's the thing, boundaries are not about pushing people away from you, and अगर आप अपनी boundaries mark कर रहे हो and कुछ लोग आपसे दूर जा रहे हैं, then it means that you have protected yourself from those people who are just taking advantage of you, because the right people won't leave you anyway. If someone is respecting your boundaries and actually considering it कि yeah, this is important for you, and still they're staying with you, that means you've got the real people. Because at the end of the day, you are on your own. चाहे आपको कितना फैमिली सपोर्ट हो, चाहे आपका कितना ही फ्रेंडशिप से सपोर्ट हो, कुछ भी अगर सिचुएशन हो रही है या फिर you're dealing with something, so you are on your own. You are your own person. So yeah, you have to learn this, that this is why it is really important to take care of yourself, to take care of your mental health, your physical health. तो जब आप boundaries set करते हो, so आप अपनी mental health को protect करते हो. You are protecting your time, your energy. जो लोग actually में आपको समझते हैं या फिर जो लोग actually में आपकी care करते हैं, they will respect your boundaries no matter what. So start small and work your way up, because no is a complete sentence. So the next one is prioritize self-care. If you're running empty, which means it's so much easier to fall into people-pleasing trap. Take care of yourself first, your energy, your mental health, and your happiness. Because when your cup is full, you won't feel the need to pour it out to everyone else. The third thing is, जो कि मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा करती थी, do not feel guilty. स्टार्टिंग में जब मैंने अपनी बाउंड्रीज मार्क करनी शुरू की तो मेरे को काफ़ी दिक्कत होती थी और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गिल्ट फील होता था. मैंने मना तो कर दिया, बट अब वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, या फिर मुझे खुद से बुरा लगता था. मतलब इसी तरह की जैसे आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर हैप्पीनेस, बट दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू. यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनीबडीज हैप्पीनेस. एंड अगर उसके बाद भी पीपल आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग योर बाउंड्रीज, विच मीन्स दैट डोंट वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड यू दे जस्ट वॉन्ट टू गेट देयर वर्क डन. पीपल प्लीजिंग में सबसे ज़्यादा ये होता है कि हम किसी और के लिए कुछ करते हैं, इवन तो हमें गिल्टी खुद से अंदर से बुरा लग रहा हो, स्टिल वी डू इट ताकि सामने वाला खुश हो. बट अगर कोई चीज़ हम खुद के लिए करें, सो व्हाई आर यू फीलिंग गिल्टी फॉर योरसेल्फ? बिकॉज रिमेंबर, इट्स इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू deserve happiness. Next important point is get comfortable with uncomfortable. किसी को भी मना करना या फिर खुद के लिए stand लेना can feel really awkward for yourself, especially जब हमें आदत हो कि हम हर किसी को हाँ बोलते हैं. तो जितना ज़्यादा हम practice करेंगे किसी को मना करने के लिए या फिर अपनी boundary set करने के लिए, it will be easier for us and it will be beneficial for us. कई लोग ऐसे होंगे कि अगर हमने अपनी boundary set भी की है, so they won't respect that. And you have to understand that अगर वो आपकी boundaries respect नहीं कर रहे हैं, so it's totally their choice and you can't change it. But the only thing that you can do is be firm with your boundaries. अगर आपने किसी को words दिए हैं कि हाँ I won't be able to stick to that, or you won't be able to do that work उस time पे because you already have a lot of load on yourself. So you have to be really firm with your decision and you have to stick to it, because otherwise people won't take you seriously. क्योंकि एक टाइम पे आपने मना कर दिया उनको कि हाँ मैं अभी ये चीज़ नहीं कर सकता, बट दी नेक्स्ट मोमेंट तुम्हें खुद से बुरा फील हो रहा है कि यार ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, तो यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंजिंग योर डिसीजन। सो इससे पीपल विल नॉट टेक यू सीरियसली एंड दे वुड थिंक कि तुम्हारा खुद का एक फर्म डिसीजन नहीं है। सो इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर आपने अपनी कोई बाउंड्री सेट की है, सो यू शुड stick to it. The next point is communicate clearly. When you communicate your boundaries clearly, so उससे next person को भी ये feel होता है कि एक clear message मिलता है कि you are not being rude to them, but you're also marking your boundaries, which makes you really impactful. So I hope this video gave you the confidence and tools to start setting your boundaries. You know in the comments one boundary you're going to set for yourself this week, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone who needs a reminder that it's okay to say no to others. This is it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next video.